Hi everyone, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I'm here today to make a quick, yummy snack in my air fryer. I have here a Philly soft pretzel that I have sliced in half. I'm going to flip the pretzel open, and I'm going to put some of this. I have some hand-grated smoked Gouda cheese inside, or you could use pepper jack or sharp cheddar, any cheese you like. You want to grate it yourself so that it melts really well. And you could do both sides if you want. I'll just throw a little in this half too, what the heck. Why not? I'm going to air fry this, and I'm going to do a lower temp. I want my cheese melted, and I don't want the pretzel to get too dry, so I think I'll do a couple minutes at 350, or at least do until the cheese is nice and melty. And we want our pretzel toasty. Here it is melted. I'm gonna flip it over. It's hot. Yum. And I have a delicious cheesy filled pretzel. It's hot, and it's gonna be good. I'm sitting down at the table to enjoy my delicious smoked Gouda cheese stuffed pretzel. I cut it in half for you guys to see. Hopefully you can see okay. It's a dreary day here, so the lighting's not that great. Look, there's cheese on the edges. I'm gonna give this a try. Wow, see that cheese pull? It's like a delicious pretzel grilled cheese. That smoked Gouda gives it a whole level of flavor with the smokiness. All right, guys. I definitely need to keep eating. Thanks for tuning in today. This is so delicious. Pretzels and cheese. Oh, next time I'm gonna try this with some pepper jack. But this smoked Gouda, it's the bomb, guys. Give this one a try. Thanks for tuning in today. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy my pretzel.